We already know that selling personalized products on Etsy is a great way to set yourself apart. Now, with Father's Day right around the corner, there is going to be a huge influx of potential customers looking to buy personalized Father's Day gifts. And in this video, I'm going to show you a t-shirt design that I created that's personalizable for Father's Day and how I'm using Awkward Styles to fulfill the orders with as little friction as possible. We know that when we offer personalizations, guys, you're going to probably have to do a little bit extra customer support. It's not always guaranteed that you have to do any if the customer follows instructions, but then when they follow instructions, we typically need to go and key in the personalization or make whatever tweak that we allow them to do in the Etsy listing when we enable personalization. So in this video, my goal is just to show you that we can make this pretty easy on ourselves as the seller. So let's get right to it. So to start off, I love going to Google Trends just to get an idea of when we can expect to see the uptick in interest. So in this case, I typed in Father's Day gift, and you can see here over the last 5 years, it looks like the interest, meaning search volume, starts to spike up a little bit in very early May. And then basically mid-May, it's at about 14% of its peak. So I would say that's about right now. We're at like 14% of what the peak volume will be, with the ultimate peak volume occurring around the second week of June, kind of as you would expect. All right. So right now we already see, I went to Allura here. Allura is great for Etsy sellers. It's one of these like easy tools to use. In this case, it's the product research tool, but they've got a bunch of, they have a whole suite of Etsy seller tools. I went to Allura, and I'll put a link in the description if you want to check it out. I typed in Father's Day shirt. You can already see here that there's products indexed on Father's Day shirt doing really well. The first one, I keep all my jokes in a database. 196 sales a month already. Okay, so that means that they can expect to see multiples increase when it hits peak demand. Dad's my guy toddler shirt. So for Father's Day, like a shirt for the young baby. You know what I mean? That's smart. Girl dad, which might be trademarked if I remember correctly. I know that I don't sell girl dad stuff. Anyways, there's a bunch of niches for Father's Day. Allura helps you find them if you wanted to use a research tool. You can also just go straight to Etsy, by the way, and type in Father's Day shirt. I just like this because it gives you some projections on the monthly sales, favorites, etc. So I went to Photoshop and I decided to make my own template. You guys that have been doing niche research have probably seen something similar to this before. It's like the dictionary definition, where what I anticipated doing was putting at the very top there the name of the dad and saying, personalized shirt for dad, personalized shirt for Father's Day, right? We do a little bit of keyword research, try to optimize the SEO and get ranked on some of those really valuable keywords. Obviously, running ads will help, but this is the design template that I intended to use. So at the top here, I will key in whatever name of the dad that the customer provides. After that, it says noun, an exceptional man, smart, driven, and committed to his family, beloved by his kids. See also best dad ever, right? So nice little whatever, you know what I mean? Like Father's Day gift as you'd expect. By the way, you could sell this on coffee mugs. You could do it on whatever products, right? So this brings us over to Awkward Styles. I don't have a staff. I don't have a facility where I have the machines needed to print this stuff. I don't keep any of these products in stock. I outsource it to the companies that specialize in doing that. That's where Awkward Styles enters the equation. We can go up here and click product catalog, and you'll notice they've got different categories of products. There's no right or wrong answer. I would just recommend, if you don't know what to sell, do a little research. Like go and look at Etsy, look at Amazon, wherever you intend to sell, and just see kind of what's popular there. The easiest low-hanging fruit is going to be a t-shirt, you know what I mean? Or a coffee mug, probably second to that. But you can go ahead to men's clothing, t-shirts, and then you can go ahead and, honestly, my recommendation based on my personal opinion, my personal preference when I order shirts for myself would be the Bella Canvas 3001 shirt. It also comes in a ton of different colors. And Awkward Styles actually just reduced the price, so we make a slightly higher profit margin for anybody using Awkward Styles Pro. All right, now if you don't have an Awkward Styles account, I recommend using my link in the description and then use code Ryan Hogue, all one word. I'll put it down there. You'll get 2 months of Awkward Styles Pro for free. It reduces the fulfillment prices, And like I just mentioned, they actually increased the price of non-pro users just slightly and reduced the fulfillment cost for pro users just by a little bit as well. So I'm going to click the unisex jersey tee from Bella Canvas 3001. Then all you have to do is click Let's Design. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. Click Let's Design. It'll take you to their t-shirt editor. The default color selected is white. I'm going to go ahead and click black because if you saw my Photoshop template that I made, I don't know, I'm a creature of habit. I like to use Photoshop for designing. It was optimized for a black background, which really works for any like dark colored shirt background. So I'm going to uncheck white, and I could go ahead down here at the bottom and I could select all the dark colors that I wanted. Or you know what Awkward Styles also makes easy to do is there's a button called Select Dark Colors. You can actually just click that and it will select all of the dark colors for you in one click. So there's nothing wrong with doing that. Then go ahead, sizes right here. If you see where I'm pointing, you can click select all. This way we've selected all the colors that we want and all of the sizes, making them available as well. Because there's no reason to exclude a customer because they want to buy a size that we didn't stock in our shop that Awkward Styles was able to fulfill, right? If Awkward Styles can fulfill it, make it available. No reason not to. All right, now the part that we're here for, I'm going to go ahead and go to your library. And I already ahead of time, well, I actually uploaded a demo design, right? So when we create this product listing initially, we should probably go ahead and upload a design that's finished, right? In doing this, when Awkward Styles creates that initial Etsy listing, because we need to use Awkward Styles to create the listing, that way we get the automated fulfillment. Although now that I think about it, because this is a personalized product, we actually don't need to use Awkward Styles because the fulfillment won't be automated. We're going to have to come in here and do it ourselves anyways, at least make a tweak to fulfill the order with the correct variable. In this case, the variable that we're using in the design is the name of the dad. But anyways, I would just use this design to create the initial product listing. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to click create template now. And what this is doing is what it sounds like. It's creating a template in Awkward Styles that we can access in the future. So that implies that we're like, and I'm going to hit just create order. All right. You would hit upload product, but I'm going to hit create order just to show you how this would work. So in the case that, you know, a customer doesn't want the name Aaron in their design, we're going to go to Etsy, click that one little icon that allows us to enable personalization and type in, what is your father's name? And that's all they have to key in when they place the order. But in Awkward Styles, following an order coming in, you're going to go ahead and click templates on the navigation. And then here in the templates, you'll see on the left-hand side there, the template that we just created. I'm going to go to the 3 dots and I'm going to hit duplicate. After giving it a second to duplicate our template, we should be able to go in there, edit the template. So now I'm going to hit the, on the duplicate template, I'm going to click the 3 dots and I'm going to hit edit template. And this is something that I could have done initially, but I'm going to delete this design and I'm going to upload the design that has the name left blank. Okay, so under my library, I've already uploaded it. And you can see it looks exactly like what I just showed you from Photoshop here. It's got the, you know, definition, but it leaves a space for us to key in the name of the dad. So now I'm going to click add text. When I do that, it gives us the default hello. I'm going to go ahead, click in here, and we'll just type out Ryan, delete the exclamation point. I'm going to change the color to white and click save. And then I'm going to change the font. How about to Roboto? Okay. Now we can make adjustments as needed, basically however you see fit. But I just wanted to show you that we can utilize Awkward Styles text tool to very easily key in any dynamic variable text. You know what I mean? They support different colors, different fonts. You can adjust the font size very easily. If you think that's too big, we can just drag the corner there and make it smaller and then just readjust the design portion here. But that is how easily we can create and fulfill personalized orders with Awkward Styles. From here, guys, all you have to do is hit create new template in the top right corner. And then as I just showed you a second ago, you would hit create order and you would key in your customer's information. All right. There is a little bit more manual process involved with the, you know, personalized orders. So then create order. But hey, like I said, it opens the gates to setting you apart from people who aren't willing to put in the extra effort on Etsy. So this is something that I've gotten as a question in the past. I'm sure at least one of you guys, hopefully, that was watching this video has been wondering, like, what's the easiest way to fulfill personalized orders with awkward styles? Like, we already know Etsy is an incredible opportunity to get in front of potential customers. We know from Google Trends, we don't have to guess, that Father's Day sales are about to explode. We know that there's a bunch of sales already taking place in this niche thanks to Allura. And we know that Awkward Styles has a massive catalog. I just showed you how to do it with t-shirts, guys, but like I said, you can come over here to drinkware, all right, and check it out. You can sell coffee mugs as well, right? So you can do the flipped version of this, right? Come over here to your design template and flip it to a darker color scheme that would look good on the Awkward Styles white coffee mugs here that start at $6.95 for fulfillment. Or if you use Awkward Styles Pro, and again, use my code, you get 2 months free in the description, drops fulfillment of the white mugs down to $5.95. All right. And you can sell those for $19.99, or because they're personalized, maybe even more. So there's endless opportunities, guys. I just would recommend, it's easy to do the over analysis paralysis and just keep consuming more and more content on YouTube. I promise you there will never be a shortage of content on YouTube for you to watch. But if you don't take action, you're not going to lock in any of those sales. So it's time. You know what I mean? It's Google Trends. Google Trends is telling us it is time. It's confirming it right here. It's not just guessing, but we know that Father's Day sales are about to explode. Hopefully you've already got some listings out there, but if you haven't used personalization, guys, jump on over to Awkward Styles. It couldn't be easier to launch personalized listings. I hope you take advantage of it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Also, on your way out, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow with a new video.